Welcome to our makeup tutorial series. Today, we'll be diving into different makeup looks and techniques to help you master your makeup game. First up, let's talk about the natural glam look. Start by using a light coverage foundation to even out your skin tone. Add some bronzer to warm up your complexion and a touch of blush for a healthy glow. Keep the eyes simple with a neutral eyeshadow and a few coats of mascara. Finish off with a nude lip for a fresh and effortless look. Next, let's move on to the iconic smoky eye. Begin by applying a dark eyeshadow to the outer corners of your eyes and blending it towards the center. Add some eyeliner along the upper lash line and smudge it out for a sultry effect. Don't forget to coat your lashes with mascara and pair the look with a nude or bold lip, depending on your preference. Finally, let's tackle the winged eyeliner technique. Start by creating a thin line along your upper lash line and extending it outwards for a subtle wing. You can use tape as a guide for a sharp and clean wing. Finish off with some mascara and a nude lip to let your winged liner take center stage. And there you have it, a guide to different makeup looks and techniques to help you elevate your beauty game. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more makeup tutorials.